The Camaro ZL1 is the fastest Camaro ever made. We recently brought it out to a close course and put it head to head with a 1968 Camaro powered by a 454. And well, it blew its doors off as it should have. So we decided to step up the competition and we brought out a Hellcat, and we're gonna put these two head to head to see how they stack up against each other. This is a Camaro ZL1. These are built to be track weapons right out of the box. With 325 wide rear tires, 6 piston Brembo brakes up front, 4 piston Brembos in the rear. The main difference between this Camaro and other 6th generation Camaros is that potent LT4 engine under the hood. It's a 6.2 liter supercharged V8, making 650 horsepower and 650 torque. It's got magnetic ride control, which allows you to put it into track mode or touring, if you like to drive that way, with the press of a button, basically transforming this thing from a street machine to a full-on track machine by just pressing one simple button. Now let's break down this Hellcat. Also has a 6.2 liter supercharged V8 under the hood, 6 piston in the front, 4 piston in the rear, Brembo disc brakes. This thing makes 717 horsepower, which is enough to get anyone in trouble quickly. The sole purpose of this car is to go fast in a straight line. So let's put these cars head to head and see how they stack up against each other. We were actually so surprised that the Camaro ZL1 beat the Hellcat in an 1/8 mile. It's down 67 horsepower, but maybe this car would shine in a 1/4 mile with more distance, but this car wins, it's no question. We ran it several times and it's for sure the winner here. What car enthusiast wouldn't want to get behind the wheel of a Camaro ZL1, 650 horsepower, can beat a Hellcat in an 1/8 mile? Get entered to win this Camaro ZL1 plus $10,000 cash.
For our 10th giveaway at Freedom Street Garage, we're giving you a chance to win this insane 650 horsepower Camaro ZL1 and $10,000 cash. This car absolutely rips on the track and on the street and would look great in your driveway. Get entered today, and who knows, you could be our 10th winner.